Okay, guys, it's me. I'm back. It's actually lunch right now, so I feel like there's no way I can like really get in trouble for doing this, but I'm so excited for this one. It's burgers, a double burger and a single burger, French fries with ketchup and cola. So, I mean, at least I know what that's gonna be. Let's just get into it.
Hi friends! Hi Maura's fans!
What's going on,
So
Joan?
I know it's your lunch break, but this tends to take a little bit longer than it should. It's a disruption to the newsroom, so we're going to set some guidelines today.
Okay, what is it?
Be right back. Dun, dun, dun. This is Joan's Wheel of Punishment. And
You know,
got 15
okay.
minutes left in your lunch break. So,
Are you gonna spin it?
yeah, we should see what the stakes are.
Oh God.
So everybody's
okay.
invested. See what we're in for. Oh, we're getting
No.
close.
No. Oh my God.
Clean all the in-style desks. Disinfect.
I was gonna say. Oh wow. I mean,
Organize.
my desk is probably the worst desk.
Yeah, you're
Still
included.
really bad. Okay.
That's what's on the line here.
Okay. So I definitely should do this in 15 minutes.
Okay, bye.
Okay. Yeah. Leave so I can do this and not clean desks. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. I'm so frazzled. I'm like already ripping the box. This is what we're working with. Bun candy powder, potato candy powder, patty powder, cola and ketchup, cheese powder. We have a little cup. Oh, it's for the cola. That's so cute. Okay. Oh, a tiny spoon and a tiny knife. So cute. And then this. Oh, and I never remember the scissors to cut this up. Okay, cut apart tray shown in picture. Guys, like I started doing this because it's Zen. It's like an adult coloring book. However, now everyone's making this stressful. I don't even know. I don't have time to talk about this. French fries. Add a triangle cup of water to the ridged bottom tray. Oh, this. Okay, I'm already failing. God. Oh my God, this is so stressful. I'm not gonna do this in. Okay, potato powder. I'll mix it and then flatten it. Okay, sure. Feels like there's not enough water in here. Okay, now I'm like gonna just flatten it with my fingers. Okay. So this is basically just like the measuring thing. It's just like an arbitrary amount. Guys, I don't appreciate the time constraint. This is like too serious to talk. Okay, we're making the buns. We're stirring the buns. This now seems like too wet. 4 triangle cups. That's how many I used. Sure, okay. So I need to divide the dough in half. Oh, this feels weird. Ugh. Okay. Cold and sticky. I now have 7 minutes left. And I have not even completed one thing, and there's water everywhere on the desk and on my hands. What the? Oh my God, this smells so good. It smells like brownie batter. Perfect amount. It kind of looks like. It's fine. Okay. Okay, the next thing. Add triangle cup of water to the ridged bottom tray. My French fries are in that. Okay, it's coming out. Oh, sick. Okay. Oh. I just feel like I'm cross-contaminating. I didn't prepare. I should have got like paper towels over here or something, because now I am going to stir my cheese with a poopy brown spoon. A crinkled paper towel is just thrown over the desk. Okay. This is at least making me feel calmer, but now I'm looking and seeing that I only have a minute, so that was probably a waste of time. Okay, now we're stirring the cheese. Also, this smells like bananas. This smells foul. I hate bananas. Okay. I'm just gonna spread this and flatten it on here.
Did you do it?
What does it look like?
Well, your lunch is over, so I guess you should probably clean our desks now.
Okay. Let's make a deal. Because I really feel personally like I need to finish this.
I think there has to be more punishment then. For every 2 minutes, you go over the 15 minutes, you have to add another desk that you're cleaning.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Fine.
You can keep going.
Oh, Jesus.
And then dirty up my desk a little bit.
Let me continue to flatten out this nasty f***ing banana cheese. The next thing is make ketchup. I think ketchup, I did not spill that much. Okay, that looks bad. Okay. Let's stir this. Okay. This is when I'm gonna start using this knife. So I have to cut this in half. So that's the bun. Ooh, is the bun pineapple? How they have it all done is actually on this, which I never noticed before. Okay, 2 buns. Cool. This I have to cut into 3. It smelled really good at first, and now it like smells weird. Oh, I mean, that looks good. That looks like a burger, like, right? Now we are going to put that on that. Okay, here's cheese. I mean, this looks like shit, but this will be the double. The cheese is in the middle. Then this one will be the not double. I'm just gonna cut this to like look a little better, like a little square. That's cute. Oh, I need to do some ketchup. So I'm kind of trying to be a little more deliberate about things now. That's cool. Okay. Ketchup. That's actually really good. I like the strawberry. All I need to do now is make my cola. And so I'm just gonna like kind of fill it. Okay, cool. Wait, oh my God. It's fizzing. Wow, that's so cute. Okay. I still did this way faster than I've done any one before, so I feel really proud. Actually, if we're getting into it, I think I could have made this look way better if I had not been so frazzled and stressed out the entire time. My buns kind of look like ass. I don't know that I've ever combined pineapple, chocolate, banana, and strawberry. I don't want to eat the banana flavored thing. I'll try it, but then I'm gonna take it off because, like, seriously, I could maybe enjoy this with a no banana. Okay. Okay, for the double one, I'm taking the banana off. It's so distracting. Cheers. I don't know, actually. Eating those burgers I describe as a journey of flavors that should never go together. Okay, let's try French fries. That's not bad. I actually like the French fries and the ketchup. It's not fizzy anymore. Okay, last French fry and then I'll go clean desks. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'm gonna try to find another thing. This one was like, no, I'm done. Okay,
But, like,
we're done. No, I swear.